Kakenun Menteri Kebelah Kenduk hak kakatnya utrip kala lengkot kala syemekarai ban penkenria ano ek ofis sarkar syamau pedang mau kanu kebenan hak New Shillong Township. Kumsi benta ban pendunai ke jengkapnya ke Sor Shillong, bat kakenun Menteri kala tairu hak bedai bagi jeng terwa ban penjelan negarta sasan senam. Na kebenta kitu kebawat kam sarkar. Menteri Korbari gejela uba ala kemen remboi habekren beginong patai kubor uloong mak sarkar kelarai ban penkenria ek ofis syaka New Shillong Township. Bat kumta haka arpoi trek mentau benai on sebu mau nongrim kumsi benta jong gejing rake gejing dapsan posnam gejela. Uloong bagi sarkar kan sasyem praspa akar kejaka ha New Shillong Township na kebenta ban penurlong ya gejing temu. Bat lasyem ya kedengarai kadai namar gejing i gejing kapnya ke Sor Shillong. Bat gejing dan kam bandan ya Sor kebelah penwandur bha ha ke New Shillong Township. Ubah lakmen remboi uliatho bagagenhun menteri keletai halor kejing terwa ban penjelan Yakarta sasan senam naga benta kibawat kam sarkar. Mereka kunhun menteri kelarai bahkan setai biang ya kene kemat kejing elang kebanduan jong kunhun menteri namar bagi dan kimat kibahap ban penbet baha.
Government of Meghalaya to New Township, Shillong Township near Mau Pedang, Mau Khanu. As you are aware that the government is acquiring about 807.78 acre of land in this new township. So it is fit that taking into consideration the congestion in Shillong, taking into consideration the expanding of the new township, that the Armistead building, a common office, will be shifted to that new site at Mau Pedang, Mau Khanu.
Kesorkar jela kala ajeng menjeru bat penkela ki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Settlement of Areas lengba ke State Taxation Act Amendment Ordinance arhajar arpuar. Haba batai lor kani ubala kemen remboi uloong bagat tenat taxation kelawan raik ordinance na kebenta ban penjelan cucu ekapor na kebenta ban siu ke khajna ke basateng jeng kipat ba ki bahap ban siu kat kum ke one time settlement of tax. Uloong bakani ke one time settlement of tax kadai na kebenta gitu ki breuk bahap ban siu ke khajna syak sarkar ya kabla menjur rege yang dor bartawan ke jela. Uloong bagidan ki breuk bat ki kenhuan ki bala siu kat tukan ke khajna nrei kim semlala apat ban siu pendam. Bat kila don ru ki kenhuan ke bala phak ke application bat kim la ban siu ke khajna. Bat katarik ke bala bu ban siu pendap kala kutno. Kumta halor kene kebenta ke sarkar kelarai ban ailat biang ke bala phak ke application bagin siu pendap no ke khajna. Baru uloong bagi sarkar kan la banyo ahdo kat ar klur tengka na kini gibriu ke bang sateng ban siu pendap ya ke khajna.
As you are aware that the government has implemented the one-time settlement of tax, but in the course of time, there are some person, some firm, some agency who have already paid some percentage of the tax, but they could not clear all. There are some firm which have already submitted the application, but they could not pay because the last date for settlement of the same is over. So the taxation department have moved to keep only for those who have submitted the application, who have submitted their willingness as on that date. The purpose is just to settle that people which have already been applied for the same.
Kesorkar jelak la menjeru ikejing terwa ban penteri kami ke Early Childhood Development Mission na kebenta ban ajeng irap ki kena ki bamyo ajeng irap lengba ke ICDS program. Uba remboi uloong ba ka jinglot na kebenta kena ke program kan kot kumbalai spak san phok lor tengka bat ki dan palat saulak ngot ki kena na du ke bedang kha hadu ke bedan hendrus nam karta.
In this, it will be a convergence of the social welfare, the health department, education, and all the stakeholders, so that the children will get the benefit of healthcare, education in the state of Meghalaya. Moreover, as you know that there are about 1,500 plus of village which does not serve by this ICDS under Akanvadi program. So with this implementing of this mission, we hope that we will be able to cater to the need of the children who need the care at the early stage.